Prepare for countdown.
Here we go on the all-new Huss Break Dance 5, and I've got the whole ride to myself. Okay.
Stop spin.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go! Break Dance 5. Yeah, it looks like it'll be really good at night, this. The lighting package. I've got the whole ride to myself, like, it's so quiet. Hey! My way through the darkness. Whoa! Oh, wow! Oh, it's really punching. Hey! I'm interested to see how long the cycle is because I'm on my own, but it's quite cool how they have the countdown clock counting down to the next cycle. Woo! Hey! Oh god, it's got some kick to it. It's got some real kick to it. Here we go. Hey! So wake me up when it's all over. Woo! Nice comfy lap bars on this. I think it's better having the individual lap bars instead of like one all the way across like the older models. That's great. Oh, one of these will be perfect in X sector at Old Towers. Like, it look really good, I think. Wow. Excellent, it's just got such a kick to it. Obviously you're not getting the interaction when you just done it yourself, but it's still good fun. That's the thing when you got so much lighting and other things to look at as well. Wow! Epic! Woohoo! So yeah, there's the booth right in the middle. Obviously they're operating from the side, but yeah, I was under the impression they could operate from the middle if they wanted to, but maybe not. Maybe that is just as like a DJ booth or just for show. Whee! Oh, it's fast. It's intense. Oh! Woo! So many cars should get one of these. Obviously Leesburg in Sweden have just opened theirs. Look forward to getting on that. Oh! We are dancing now. We are breaking, we are dancing. Ah! Woo! So much fun. Wow. Woo! I just love trying out new rides and like a more modern take on a classic from Huss. That's what manufacturers need to do. They've got to reinvent themselves and try out different things. Oh! It's epic, really good. You won't want to go on this after a few drinks, I know that. Yeah, that's what you've got to do as a manufacturer. Reinvent, try different things. And yeah, this is excellent. I can see this selling quite well, a lot of parts. One of these are like Blackpool Pleasure Beach, even will be great as well. Here we go. Up when it's all over. And even though I'm on my own, still got a good cycle there as well, over 3 minutes. The Break Dance 5, oh, really enjoyed that. Yeah, I thought that was excellent. Looks the part as well. Awesome. So if you are coming down here to Prater, Vienna, come and check it out.